Hello everyone, welcome to the history of CAT. So today we solve a problem which is there on progression which appeared in CAT 2019. Okay, so let's understand this problem. Just make sure, as I always say, you know the basics of AP and GP. Then only this problem will look easier. If not, then please go through the basics. So let's start. This is being given here if A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus going like this. Take the value of A to be n. A could be any n. So 1, 2, 3 going up till n. This everything, the sum of this is equals to what? The sum of this is equals to 3 into 2 raised to n plus 1 minus 2. Then A11 is equal to, okay, and it's a theta problem, so again you don't have any option. So I don't understand anything, so let's just start from 1. If A is equals to 1, then what will happen? So I'll say this becomes 1 plus 1 then, right? So this is 3 into 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So A1 turns out to be 6. That's what I understand from this. What will be next now? Next I'll write it as A1 plus A2, where I'll take n is equals to 2. Okay, instead of n1 earlier, now n is equals to 2. So I'll take, of course, this A1 plus A2. This will be equal to, if n is equals to 2, this becomes 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay, this turns out to be 18 if you just substitute n as 2 here. But I know already, what do I know? That A1 is equals to 6. So right here A1 is equals to 6. So what do you get A2 as? A2 comes out to be equal to 12. Right, 18 minus 6, A2 will be equal to 12. So I get a pattern here which says A1 is equals to 6 and A2 is equals to 12. Let's take one more. If I go for A3 as well, A1 plus A2 plus A3. What am I saying till now? If I go till here, I am saying that n is equals to 3. Okay, it goes till an. Take n as any number. We want to find out till 11. I am saying if there is any pattern here. If n is equals to 3, substitute n is equals to 3. So this becomes 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. 14 into 3 is 42. Okay, so this turns out to be 42. But what do I know? I know A1 plus A2. This is 6 plus 12. This is equal to 18. So substitute A1 plus A2 as 18. So what will you get as A3? This is 18 minus 42. That turns out to be what? A3 will be equal to 24. Correct? 18, 20, 30 and 20, 30 and then again 22 plus 2, 24. That will be your A3. Okay, that's how simple it is. Now if you take, now there's a clear pattern here. Okay, if you can see, there is a clear pattern here. It's forming a GP with a common ratio as 2. You can get it easily. Even if you want to confirm, take n as 4. If you just want to confirm, I will not do this, but in case you want to do this, so I'll take it till 4. Take it till here A4. So that thing, n is equals to 4. 4 plus 1, 2 raised to 5, 32. 32 minus 2 is 30. 30 into 3 is 90. Now if you subtract, you know what is A1 plus A2 plus A3? That is equal to what? 42. So substitute it here. A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equals to 42. 42 minus this, so A4 comes out to be what? 42, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 48. So A4 comes out to be 48. Now I'm very sure that the pattern here is this. So the GP, which has the first term of 6, common ratio of 2, and if I need to find out the 11th term. So what is the formula for nth term? An is equals to A into r raised to n minus 1, right? We have studied this in GP, An. So A11 will be equal to A, that is first term, into r, the common ratio, 2 raised to n minus 1. 11 minus 1 is nothing but 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10, you are supposed to remember this. Okay, that is equal to 1024. That is something that you have to memorize. In case you don't know, use the calculator. Into 6. Okay, that will be your answer. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. 1 comes down. 6 1s are 6, 6 1, 4 4. That's it. That is your final answer. So it's the theta question. They'll give you a box and they'll ask you to put the value. Put the value as 6144. That will be your final answer. Okay, so this was quite a simple problem that should be solved, because all that you have to see is the pattern for this GP. Okay, you have to identify it's a GP. He did not say us that there's a GP. You have to identify there's a GP by substituting from the lowest value. N is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3 and 4. So you get A1, A2, A3, A4. You get the first 4 terms. You understand it's a GP. You're supposed to find out the 11th term, use the formula of nth term and reach to your answer.